Well done. Now good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. Anytime where you watch this video, anytime where you receive am. Another wonderful Friday don't reach again for another bonge matter. Oh, they bring serious matter. They come on our way. They bring serious topic. They come on our way. And I know who they here. Now on a personal person, really they come mega. We they hold this talk. Our topic for today, this 2016, 2017, 2019 election where they come up, maybe February 16th. The general election they come up for Nigeria. And maybe the matter I won't bring come up on our road today. And people they say person no fit dey inside water, soap go dey enter in your eye. And see our African people still say e get where cheating go reach. Blind person go know say man you dey cheat me. They still talk say e get where sand go full inside food reach. Blind person go know say man this food wey I dey chop sand dey inside. Wetin dey try talk na the kind situation wey we dey pass through for this our country Nigeria. We too dey suffer dey Nigeria, suffer dey, hungry dey, people dey die, some people no dey fit dey feed. Person go school finish, you no go see job, spend over na head go university, you no go see job. Pikin go finish secondary school, you no go see money enter university, e no suppose to be so. Nigeria get enough resources to take care of the citizens. Everybody go dey well. They supposed to dey pay Nigerian citizens. Many things wey we get, many countries no get, and we get all here, we get many things. That country is blessed. God settled and bless Nigeria. Only say our politicians, only them they chop am. I no dey fear person. As I tell you so, the show now let the truth be told. That's what the show just be. Nigerian leaders are criminals. Our leaders they be thief. They lead them they chop. They be serious thief. And it no good. It no make sense. It no make sense. So after all these things, you know say you'll be like when the children of Israelites dey for Egypt, they suffer. God they see them. Now he sent Moses to them. My country people, our own Moses don't come. Our own Moses to take carry us come up for the land of Egypt, for the land of these our criminals, where they call Nigerian leaders. He don't come. Who are they trying to talk about? Now, Omoyele Sowore, AAC, the AAC presidential candidate. That man go make Nigeria good again. That man go make Nigeria great again. That man will restore peace, orderliness, equality in Nigeria once more. That man go bring light to Nigeria, bring free education to universities. Pikin go finish secondary school, he go feel free to go university. That man go pay the disabled, because as our disabled for Nigeria now, they abandon them, they don't give their face, they don't call them anything. It don't make sense. My brother and my sister, I won't beg on something. My Nigerian people, our politicians, stop to the buy vote. Our Nigerian citizens, I beg, stop to the sell on our votes. Make we tell each other the truth. This 10,000 already they give una, divide them by 10 years. My brother, I not be anything. My sister, I not be anything. Okay, 10,000 naira go let you subscribe. Okay, 10,000 naira go let you do one or two things. Okay, 10,000 naira go let you do some kind of things. Okay, but we tell each other the truth. This 10,000 naira no go feed. You no go need to do anything. Why we not just give up? Come on, we just stand for the truth. We go use because of 1,000 wrapper rice, so they give you fertilizer, farm, say they go give you once election don't reach, they go they give you empowerment. Use because of and sell your destiny. They sell your vote, you sell your destiny. And so we do that. You don't put Buhari, say good luck, no good. Buhari come now. Everything spoiled. Change where they promise us, we no see change, we no see anything. Another 4 years don't reach again. We will make our decision on our own, stand on our own, talk, say no. Enough is enough. And Nigerian people, we need to stand up, talk, say no, enough is enough. Your power to change things for that country, now that your PVC, your permanent voters card. On the 16th of February 2019, you and your household stand up, go to the polling point. Una go vote. Vote Omoyele Sowore, AAC, African Action Congress for President 2019. That guy na youth, no be all these old men. All these our old men, they suppose don retire, dey house dey rest. Okay, when I dey primary school, dem go dey sing say children are the leaders of tomorrow. No. True, you are the leaders of tomorrow. Today now, na still those our old men, our parents, dem wey dey still dey tell us more dey still say we are leaders of tomorrow. Na dem still dey hijack our tomorrow. Na dem still dey lead us. Una give us chance. At least for once, make we put youth for that Aso Rock, make we see as things go be. Youth wey dey intelligent, wey get things for a brain. So we go bring electricity come Nigeria, bring better road. E go divide the road into two. You dey understand me? My Nigerian people, APC and PDP don disgrace Nigeria. They don disappoint us. They don bring that country down. Why we don't stand up? We stand up to the truth. My country people, I beg, I dey beg una. I dey beg una, I beg. May we stand up. May we stand up for the truth. May we stand up. May we fight these people. No be by violence, no be by quarrel, no be by anything. By using your voters card to vote the rightful person. Make una no dey sell una vote because of small money they dey give una. All those youths go dey shout, it's a chair, it's a chair, it's a chair, it's a chair, because they give you small thing. If they give you some 1,000 naira to 200, you go dey say it's a chair, you go dey vote am in. Once you enter, wetin you go dey hear na wow. When they take the blunt, you know if you see am again with eye, you go turn to God. Now election don reach, all of them dey follow now, they rub body together. Once you just free put am there, and so you don't fly. Our Nigerian politicians just be like bird. When they never get further, they go stay with you. You go feed them as they small. Once they don't get further, they will just fly, leave you. You just they use eye to see them. Now eye go take see them. You don't feel near them. I beg my Nigerian people, more stand up. This thing no good. This thing where these people do us, no good. Okay, see, PDP candidates, presidential candidate Atiku and Obasanjo. They come the other year when they do their own. They sell everything sellable, sell NEPA, sell everything. My dear Nigerian brother and sister, till today, lights don't in Nigeria. Where they go sell it. Now in they come back again, they talk say go sell NNPC. The only thing we they give Nigeria hope. If you say that, then Nigeria is gone. We are going nowhere. Atiku is not fit for the office. Buhari is not fit for the office. I mean, Buhari where they spend half of almost all the years, almost all your office is spent down for London for treatment. Any small headache, you don't pick off, they go treatment. All these politicians, they don't go put money. Our Nigerian universities be like primary school. All their children there abroad, they go school. They know they put high because their children know they there. I beg, more put this youth. Omoyele Sowore for president 2019 Nigeria general election. And they beg una, make things for better for us. Because our leaders are criminals. Nigerian leaders are criminals. Our Nigerian politicians are criminals. From the president, governor, senator, minister, even local government chairman, even ward councillor, all of them, they be thief. They be criminals, they thief our money. Why we don't wake up? More stop to collect all this small money they give us. More just vote this right now. For your information, they say articulated. Atiku get one of the highest generator selling company. Atiku na businessman, he dey sell generator. Tell me, ma ask una question now. At it more reason, more use our common sense. Person wey be say na generator he dey sell. Na wetin dey run the things they take care of in 3 wives. He go bring light come the country, making generator business for close. Use your brain, think. Use your brain, think. Atiku no go bring light come Nigeria for a generator business to close. Buhari wey e no ready, that one na old man. Nothing dey in brain again, brain don empty. So you see say these two men, they are not fit for the office. Why we no carry vibrant, intelligent, educated, smart youth put for that office, may run the country well. May restructure this country, make this country dey well. Nigeria get things to dey well. Okay, see now, our brothers and sisters, e no go quick dem finish secondary school, they don run. Some dey African continent, some dey Asian continent, some dey for European continent, some dey America. They run up and down. Why dey run? Home no good, Nigeria no good. That made them dey run up and down. If to say Nigeria dey okay, nobody go anywhere, because the truth be say all this country where we dey run dey go, where our African people dey run dey go, wetin we get for Nigeria they no get am. That is the truth. Oh yeah, see the other last for inside this week now wey we dey, one woman for Canada, the video don dey go everywhere for internet. Maybe you wey dey watch me now don see am. We will still talk about am. We go dey beg money for street, where the white man humiliate am. The woman say na Nigerian person. It's supposed to be so. More we vote all these old men out. These people they be thief. Now their own personal selfish interest. Now they dey there for, they don't dey there because of us. They dey there for themselves. Why would not just use this opportunity, this golden chance opportunity we get, they push them through it, take them out, tell them see me them go away. I dey beg una my people. I dey beg una. I'm gonna vote Omoyele Sowore for president 2019. Make life for better for us. Omoyele Sowore go make life better for us. Because all this one person go just never reach small people. You go see our guests now they pay me pass. Get never reach 18 years, 20 years. You go carry bag run go different. You reach Mali, our guests food there. You reach India, our guests food there. Different countries, prison, deportation camp, Nigerians food there. Our immigration officers no dey do anything. Our Nigerian immigration no dey do anything to bring their house. No dey do anything. Nigerians wey dey abroad, why is it they do them anyhow? Nigerians no dey do anything to defend them. Nobody dey talk. If good president dey there, I go dey for the immigration officers. They go do their job well. If better I dey for Nigerian immigration by the president, say they go do their job well. No, nothing concern them. Their own na to thief money, carry money, go put for their bank wey dey abroad. You dey live for Nigeria, your bank account dey abroad. No be thief you be. Make you go there, go dey thief and they go abroad, go US, go UK, go dey buy property. They keep their family and children there. Why would not wake up? We will just stop all these things once and for all. My country people. It no make sense. It no good. Nigerians abroad are suffering, and it's because the home is not good. You understand? House no good. Why person no go come out? More vote Omoyele Sowore, AAC, African Action Congress. More vote them in as president. Sowore go make things better for us again once more. I dey beg una. My mama, brother, papa, sister, vote Omoyele Sowore for president 2019. Now me, Mega, una boy dey talk, una already know who dey here. And so you be. I know they fear anybody face now. The truth now who they talk. If they hit the nail at the head, they hit the nail at the head, we know they fear anybody. As the matter you be now, so they talk. You understand? So my people are the beg una. Wanna use una power, wanna get which is the voters card. Vote out Buhari. Kick Atiku far away. All these men they don't hold, their brain don't dull. More put youth wey im brain sharp for office. AAC Omoyele Sowore for president 2019. You already know me, I'm Mega. I no dey fear anybody. They show na let the truth be told. We dey hit the point. We dey talk to anybody. You fuck up, we let you know. Say you fuck up. Make you correct yourself. I still fuck up, you let me know anyway. You understand? You do good thing, we still praise you. Say you do good thing. You understand? That's so you be. If you are well, if now your first time you dey watch my video, you are welcome. You're welcome. Mega TV, let the truth be told with Mega. You understand? So that's so the matter will be until it's up. So subscribe to this channel. Today na your first day. Subscribe to this channel. Like, comment and share. If you receive this video, share around. Make it reach all those local government, all those our village they never hear of Omoyele Sowore and the good things. Now only also they like come internet now then we really see and say man this guy get a lot to deliver. You understand? This guy carry many things for every deliver. Share and to those our brothers and sisters we dey downtown of Nigeria, we dey all those local government. Make them know of this man, make them know who to vote, make them know say the power way APC and PDP, especially PDP don't hold them. All those ones where PDP don't, where they say they articulated. I don't know if they articulated for home. Many people never know of this man. Omoyele Sowore with good things where he get to give. All those especially to all those our brothers and sisters where they say articulated. I beg share and give them. Make their eye open. You understand? Share to everybody. Vote Omoyele Sowore for president 2019. And so you'll be. If you still receive this video, say you don't like her, you know what to do. Delete her, I know they fear you, I know they beg you. Now so you'll be. I'm over and out. I say Obi, thank you. God bless you. Vote Omoyele Sowore for president 2019.